Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the August Smart Lock plus Connect Wi-Fi Bridge and the Smart Keyboard. It's secure code-based home entry for your August Smart Lock. So these two products go and work together wirelessly, and you can also run it through an app on your iPhone. So there's the iPhone, and on your Android phone as well. And here is what they call the Connect Wi-Fi Bridge. So you use this, there's a button on the front to connect everything via Bluetooth Low Energy. It's a little bit thick, but it just plugs on your wall, closest to this device right here. So this bridges the Bluetooth Low Energy to Wi-Fi in your home so that you connect to the internet and you can access with your iPhone app, your August iPhone app, to this device to unlock your home. So it comes with a backplate right here. This is some of the hardware install technology. Last time I installed one of these August Smart Lock devices, it took about 5 minutes. So not bad, it's more like 4.5 minutes, but this is the newest design right here. And on the back, you can see where that plate goes, but everything's on the inside. Charging, all the battery technology is on the inside now, so that makes it much easier to deal with. And here's the locking wings right here. Just fold those out and then lock it to the wall so then you can use it on the door. So it's a little bit different size-wise. It's not all one round thing anymore, but it is a solid piece of metal, that is for sure. And then here is the keypad. This is Bluetooth enabled right there, small keypad. And then if you open this part up, there's your AAA batteries that you put in right there. So there's the keypad, just a simple push button. You know, it's weatherproof, but you're going to have it close to your door and your door lock, so there should be an overhang. But it's ready for the elements out there, and it comes with all the pieces that you need for install. Here's the screws right here for this, and then here are the electrical wire nuts if you need them right here for this part. And then you also get this piece right here you can install as well. That comes with some tape and a little cover module like that. And then, like I said, it comes with this metal door piece for this unit right here. This has a rubber to protect your door. And I've also uninstalled one of these to put the piece back on from the original door lock, deadbolt, and it went very quickly. This works with the Google Smart Things and the Amazon voice assistants. Here's some more information. All this will be in the description below. You can pause it anytime. Okay, and here we go. As I said, it works with the Apple iPhone and Android apps, Google Play Store, so it does all this. And I've used one of these for many years. It works quite well, but you just need to make sure that your deadbolt on your door looks something like this, like that. It works with multiple different kinds, but that is the best kind that it works with. And here's some more information about the Smart Lock keypad. Okay. And again, this will be in the description below. This is the newest August Smart Lock and Connect Wi-Fi Bridge, that they offer from August, and they also work with the Yale product. You can get Yale as well. I will show that in a future video. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.